In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email in Zoho CRM. Whether you're integrating with Gmail, Yahoo, Office 365, or another email provider, setting up your email in Zoho CRM is straightforward and enables seamless communication within your business. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and if you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to register on the Zoho website. Once logged in, your main dashboard will appear, but what we're interested in today is setting up your email settings. Navigate over to the Setup section. You can find this option typically represented with a gear or tool icon, located usually in the top right corner of your dashboard. This area is your gateway to numerous customizable features, including our focus today, email integration. After entering Setup, look for the Email option on the left sidebar. It might be in a section labeled Channels or something similar. Clicking on Email will direct you to a range of email-related settings, allowing you to manage, configure, and personalize your email communications directly from Zoho CRM. Once here, you will need to get started by selecting the specific email service you wish to integrate. Click on the Get Started button, which is prominently displayed, inviting you to set up the connection. Now, you'll be presented with several options for email providers. Choose Zoho Mail if you are using Zoho's own service, or continue to scroll through options like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Office 365, Outlook, or even other mail if you're using a less common provider or a custom email service. Clicking on your preferred service will prompt a new window asking you to enter your email login details. Here, you'll need to authenticate your account to grant Zoho the necessary permissions to send, receive, and organize your emails. It's an essential step for ensuring that your communications are well integrated into the CRM, providing a smoother workflow and avoiding any potential hiccups with sending or receiving data. For those using the Other Mail option, you might need to input additional information like SMTP and IMAP settings. These can usually be obtained from your email service provider's customer support or technical documentation. After entering your details, simply follow the prompts to verify and connect your account. Each email provider might have slightly different instructions, so pay attention to any on-screen tips. Complete any requested security checks, and within moments, your email should be successfully integrated with Zoho CRM. Remember, setting up your email not only centralizes your communications, but also helps streamline your workflow by providing quick access across your sales processes directly within Zoho. Once everything's set up, you're ready to start communicating more efficiently and keeping all interactions neatly organized within your CRM. So, there you have it. You've now integrated email with Zoho CRM, enhancing your team's productivity and communication flow. For more tips and detailed guides, be sure to explore other features within Zoho CRM and stick around for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and happy emailing!